Hi there, welcome to www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. Today we're going to be looking at time zones. So time zones are something you will use if you're going on holiday to a different country, and they will be in a different time zone. So their time will either be ahead of your time, our time, or behind. So here, if we look at the first example, we're going to look at the time in Edinburgh as 2:30 p.m. We're going to use that as our kind of starting point, and we're going to transfer that into different time zones. So here, if I just highlight on the table, we've got, so let's say we've got Edinburgh's here, okay, and we're looking first of all for Santiago. So, there it is there. So you can see Santiago is 3 hours behind our time. So what we've got to do is take the 2:30. We've got to take 3 hours away from that. So that would take us back to 1:30, 12:30, and 11:30 a.m. Okay, so that one we were taking away 3 hours. Okay, next one, Amsterdam. So Amsterdam, I have to find it somewhere on the list. Here it is here. So there's Amsterdam, and that's 1 hour ahead. So for 1 hour ahead, so I'm going to take it to 2:30, we're going to add on an hour. That would go up to 3:30 p.m. Okay, and the final one is Amman. So that's the last one at the very bottom, and you can see that that's 2 hours ahead. So I'm going to take the time and just add on 2 hours. That would take us to 4:30 p.m. Okay, so that's your basic idea behind how time zones work. Now, let's have a look at the kinds of questions you can be asked on this. So we've got an example down below. Stephen gets on a flight at Glasgow Airport at 6:20 a.m. The flight takes 5 hours and 27 minutes to reach Cabo Verde. What would the local time be in Cabo Verde when Stephen arrived? Okay, so we're going to have to add on the 5 hours and 27 minutes first. It's not the only way you can do it, but that would be the way I would approach it. So we'll stick with that. We're starting at 6:20 a.m. Okay, what I'm going to do, just so I make sure I don't make any mistakes, is add on the 5 hours. And that would take me to, so please be careful with this. So many people make mistakes just for carelessness. So if we're starting at 6:20 a.m., we're going to add on 5 hours. It's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that's the 5 hours. So it's 11:20 a.m. And then we're adding on the 27 minutes. Okay, so we've got to add on 27 minutes to that. Again, be careful. So it would take you up to 11:47 a.m. Okay, now that would be the time in kind of Glasgow, UK time. Okay, so that would be UTC, your kind of zero time there. Okay, but if we're going to Cabo Verde, then we've got to find what's the difference in the time zone there. So Cabo Verde is here. So it's 1 hour behind. Okay, so 11:47 would be the time you would arrive in Cabo Verde, but that would be the UK time. The Cabo Verde time would be 11:47 minus 1 hour. So it would only be 10:47. Oh, that's not 7 a.m. in Cabo Verde or Cape Verde. So that's how you use time zones, and that's how you calculate what time it is in local time when you're traveling abroad to different time zones or countries that are in different time zones. The further you travel, west or east, the more difference there's going to be, and that's how you would calculate it. But still, we're using the same methods. Okay, so hopefully you found that useful. And if you would like to see any other maths videos or resources, please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. If you do like the video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. And please remember to share this video. Thanks for watching and have a mathemagical day.